everyone, welcome back. I just want to start off this video real quick by letting you all know that I am launching an 8-week challenge. It's been so long since I've done something like this, so I'm so excited to create a community. I will be sharing so much information with you, a lot of the things that I've learned and just things that I'm interested in. I'll be right there with you guys doing it. There will also be video calls with me. You guys have a chance to win cash prizes. Typically people don't do challenges this time of the year, but my thought with it is that this is a lifestyle, so everyone should be staying healthy, moving, no matter what time of year it is. And I know with the holidays coming up, there's going to be tons of food, a lot of temptations, but I think that this is the most perfect time to be launching something like this so that you can stay in shape and feel good about yourself. This challenge is for everyone, so it's for people who have limited gym equipment all the way up to someone who wants to go to the gym. I even have 20-minute HIIT workouts where you could just do it in your living room. I will make sure to put all of the information down in the description so that if you're interested, all you have to do is click on the link. I really hope you join me, and I think it's going to be so much fun. I'm super excited. I can't wait to meet some of you guys, but now let's head into the gym. Today we are training upper body, and I'm actually doing a workout from my program. So let's get in the gym. Okay, so we're starting off with wide grip pull downs, and I love to start off with this one because I really feel like it stretches everything and gets everything nice and opened up and warmed up. Also, with form, I see a lot of people who lean backwards like this, or they'll like pull out in front like that. What I always like to imagine is bringing it literally straight down, right in front, just like a straight line down to my chest. I often hit my nose, but I try to keep my head back a little bit, but up and down, so kind of in between, leaning too far back or too far forward. Okay. I don't know if I mentioned it to you guys last time, but we're doing 4 sets, 12 reps, 10, 10, and last one 8. And with every one, make sure that you add weight. Moving on from wide grip pull downs, we're now starting with the barbell bench. I already did a warm-up set, and with this one, I'm only gonna do 3 sets. So I did my warm-up, now we're into our working sets. Let's start. And I'm doing about 10 reps with this one. We're on to V-grip rows, and with this one I see a lot of people doing like leaning back or sticking their chest out and arching their back. What I like to do is almost create like a hollow body motion, because I like to get that full range of motion, which in my opinion works better than if you were to arch your back. You get kind of like a shorter range of motion. So that hollow body movement is good for me, and then really contract. Feel it in your rhomboids. I love close grip anything, because my favorite thing to build on my back is beautiful rhomboids. They look so nice. Now we're moving on to a shoulder movement, and I'm doing seated lateral raises. There are so many different variations when it comes to lateral raises, but I definitely think that doing lateral raises is a staple to any shoulder workout. We're doing 3 sets, and I'm doing 12, 10, 10. If you can add weight with every set, then go ahead and do that. like this one, just for today, just because I feel like it takes out a little bit of the momentum compared to if you were to do them standing up. Okay, so to wrap up this upper body day, we're gonna be moving on to arms, triceps and biceps. I'm starting off with triceps with tricep extensions, and then we're gonna jump right into dumbbell hammer curls. And I'm doing 3 sets of everything. We're doing them together. I'm gonna shoot for 10 reps on this, so 9 for 10. Because I'm known for flexing, so I have to get these little babies up a little bit. Well, that wraps up this upper body workout. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's something a little bit different, but let me know what you think of it. Also, if you guys want to join my community, my holiday fitness challenge, I'm gonna have everything down in the description. If you have any questions about any of it, I'm gonna be watching all the comments, so comment away. And I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Mwah.